Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through new Play Store secret settings. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you some Play Store tricks that you need to try. So for that, at first go to Play Store. Now the first trick is to remove your history. If anyone other than you downloading any apps in Play Store and they're searching for anything in the top, here they can see all of your apps that you once searched, so it can enhance your privacy. So to delete it, just go back, click the top right your profile icon. Now click on settings. Now click on here general and click on the first option, account and device preferences. Now here you can see clear device search history. Click on it and clear history. By clearing your history, other persons cannot see your history and they can just download any app without seeing your history. Now the second trick is to increase your storage in Play Store. If you uninstall any app in your device, the app will be uninstalled, but there will be some data that will left over in your device and it can increase your storage. So to decrease it, just go to your profile icon again and click on manage apps and device. Now click the top second option, manage. Now select this option and click on not installed. Now here you will find all the apps that are not installed. Now all you need to just select it. Select the apps that you want to remove and click the top right this icon here and remove. And by this you can just decrease some storage from your Play Store. Now the third trick is to secure your device from hackers. If you install any app from Play Store or if you install any app from any other third-party apps, you can just scan it by Play Store. So to enable it, just click the top right your profile icon. Now click on Player Protect, the middle option, and just turn it on. By turning it on, Player Protect will secure your phone and it can scan if any harmful app in your device. So guys, that's the secret tricks of Play Store. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.